My name is Soren Bested. I'm the CRO of AgentIQ. I spent about 10 years building digital self-service channels for banks, customers, members, and have now spent the last 5 years trying to figure out how do we make banking personal again. Digital service and engagement became very synonymous with impersonal service, and while it may seem that that is what our customers are looking for, as Mark from Javelin shared with us yesterday, financial institutions are trying really hard and are struggling to provide their customers with desired insights and advice. So I'm here very humbly to share the future of banking with you. The future of banking is the 4 Ps. It's personal, it's persistent, it's proactive, and it's profitable. So why don't I show you what I mean with that? Oh, sorry guys, I see a message come in here. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, it looks like Matt has reached out to me and he's saying, can I have a quick chat? Well, why not? If you don't mind, I'm just going to have a quick chat with Matt here.
Hey there, Soren. How cool is this? We just wanted to let the audience see how easy it is to go from customer digital engagement with connecting with your banker to escalating up to video like this. Pretty cool.
So when's the last time that you've been able to reach out to your personal banker and ask for quick advice? Probably a fair bit. But as Soren said, the customers today are demanding that their banks are personal, persistent, proactive, and profitable. My name is Matt Phipps, and I'm the CMO of AgentIQ. And in these next few minutes, we're going to show you how our platform can let you be the hero of that relationship. So having my own personal banker means that I get to select people who I can connect with, that I can relate to. And in our banker carousel, we have little mini profiles, we have pictures, and I can choose based upon somebody that I associate with, connect with, instead of just somebody who's good at banking, which we hope everybody is. So today, I'm going to select Soren.
And guess what? When Matt selects me, I get notified that Matt selected me, and I can jump in and just have a quick conversation. Say, hey, Matt. And as you saw before, if I wanted to escalate that to a voice, a video, even a co-browsing session, I can do that without installing any software on my side or Matt's side.
Now that's personal engagement with a real person. So in my house, life with 7-year-old twins is hectic, to say the least. They're in this Spanish immersion program, and sometimes they'll grab my phone and start engaging for me. And they'll do something like, habla español.
And getting a message like that can be terrifying for somebody like me who doesn't speak any Spanish. Fortunately, the AgentIQ Link platform has been set up to recognize and translate more than 100 different languages. So as I get Matt's message, rather than being terrified, I can click on the button here, see, oh, they just asked me if I speak Spanish, and I can respond, yes. My Spanish, oops, I can also do typos. My Spanish is outstanding. And not only can I respond with that, I can translate it back to Spanish and send it back to Matt, or maybe in this case, back to Matt's kids.
So back to those twins. Demands are high, time is low, and I rarely have 10 minutes to spend actively waiting, chatting with my financial institution. And so that's where the second P, of persistency, comes in. Knowing that Soren is my banker means that I can reach out to him anytime that I want, when it's convenient for me. And often that's going to be 10 o'clock at night, I'm exhausted, kids are down, sit on the couch, and I type something like, I need a mortgage. And then I will send that to him, and I'll go, thank God, time to go to bed.
Unfortunately, I'm not like Matt. I get to go to bed before 10 o'clock, so I don't see Matt's message at 10 o'clock at night. And honestly, Matt doesn't expect me to respond at 10 o'clock at night. But when I wake up, I get back to the office, I get on with my day, I see Matt send a message to me. I go in, I have a look, and I see Matt says he needs a mortgage. Well, the first thing some of you will notice is the built-in augmented intelligence in the AgentIQ Link platform tags the conversation and says, hey, Soren, this is about a mortgage. The platform will also give me certain recommendations for this may be a good response to Matt. So I can select a response that has been constructed based on what other bankers responded to their customers.
And I get that ever addictive push notification that lets me know that Soren got back to me.
But not only that, I also got some help with my response. But the augmented intelligence on our platform will also help me by saying, Soren, if you're talking too bad about a mortgage, our marketing department, our compliance department spend a lot of time and money putting together documents and materials that may help you and may help Matt. So the platform will recommend materials that I may want to use. And I can share that with Matt right in line.
And I'm able to see those seamlessly on my mobile device. And also, that same file sharing ability allows me to send pictures, photos, files, and pictures of you. Say smile, and say cheese. Now I'll send it right back to Soren.
Now, so of course, getting a picture of a group like this is amazing. I love it. But sometimes what I'm really looking for is a 1099, it's a W-2, it's a confirmation of address. But once I get that, if I'm anything like most bankers I work with, I may be an amazing relationship builder. But what we really need is we need to take advantage of the other capabilities in the bank. We need to allow me to bring a mortgage expert into the conversation. So through the Link platform, I can have a look and say, I need somebody on my team. I don't care where it's set, but they need to be a certified mortgage advisor. I see Sebastian is available. I add him to the conversation, and immediately Sebastian is notified and get to read the whole conversation, plus any notes I may have taken.
And I'm able to easily write back to Sebastian and send that through and have that part of the conversation. So it's great to have that personal banker who helps me navigate the internal workings of the bank, where the bank staff doesn't have to call me back, I have to repeat a conversation, or I call back and leave voicemail messages. And clients, our clients who have actually installed our platform, actually see a 29% reduction in their call center volume.
I have a few seconds left. I do want to show you one thing. Do you remember we spoke about P, profitability? Imagine if I could know what my customers talk about in aggregate. And if you want to see how I do that, come back to the back of the room, and I'll be more than happy to show you in minute 8 and 9. Thank you so much for your attention.